So you decided to start trading. Better use Plus500.
What?
He meant to say why. Because trading with Plus500 is like getting into that exclusive party that you weren't even invited to. Plus, having someone there you can count on. Or trying bridge for the very first time. Plus, knowing Grandma's on your team.
Hi, Grandma.
Or meeting other intelligent life forms. Plus, being able to communicate with them. He likes your shirt. Or jumping off a cliff. Plus, having wings.
A goose?
Works for me.
I get it. It's like catching your parents in an intimate moment.
Ew.
Plus, go.
Stop right there. Plus500. It's trading with a plus. Block. Plus. Block. Plus. Plus. Boop.